Click subscribe and bell icon to get regular notifications.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Krishnan Subramaniam. I am the lead surgeon of a Department of Orthopedics and Sports Medicine, Yashoda Hospital, Malakpet Unit. I practice arthroscopic surgeries, sports surgeries and joint replacement surgeries. Today we'll learn about menisci. Menisci are the C-shaped fibrocartilaginous structures within the normal knee joint. That is, within the thigh bone and leg bone, the space that usually seen in the X-ray, these menisci are present. There are two menisci in a normal knee joint. One is inside, that is called middle meniscus. The outside one is called lateral meniscus. Menisci normally function as the weight transmission structures in the normal knee joint. Whenever we stand, walk, jump, load the knee joint, the weight forces are transmitted from thigh bone to the leg bone or leg bone to the thigh bone equally because of these C-shaped menisci. That means they are very important for the normal knee health. Whenever the meniscus is torn, patient presents with a catchy feeling within the knee joint. This is nothing but a locking sensation of the knee joint. So patient with the injury to the meniscus presents with the repeated locking episodes, that is stuck point of the knee joint in a particular direction or movement of the knee joint. Meniscal tears are usually diagnosed by a clinical examination we called a grinding test, that's called McMurray's test, and this a classical test for diagnosing the menisci. But normally meniscal tear cannot be diagnosed on X-ray. Meniscal tears are diagnosed only in MRI. MRI of the knee joint is essential investigation for diagnosing meniscal tear. The torn meniscus, depending upon the zone that is torn, it has a ability to heal or not to heal. For example, the capsulomeniscal junction part, that is outside part of the meniscus is torn, which is having blood supply. Usually it has a tendency to heal. When the meniscus is torn on the outside, that is inside one, that the periphery tear, it cannot heal on its own. Therefore, it has to be treated surgically. That is arthroscopic, either meniscal suturing or arthroscopic meniscal tear portion excision we do regularly. Yes, it has a propensity to heal provided the tear is at the red zone or completely capsulomeniscal junction area and the tear is small. If it's a large tear, it has to be repaired arthroscopically. The rehabilitation varies depending upon the type of the treatment. If the meniscus is repaired, the torn meniscus is repaired arthroscopically, we have to immobilize the knee joint, protective brace for some time. And if the torn meniscus tear is excised, there is arthroscopic meniscal tear excision balancing is done, we can move the knee joint on the very same day or next day following the surgery. The patient can actively participate in knee range of movement exercises if the arthroscopic meniscal tear excision has been done. Thank you.